This refers to managing your own business subscriptions, like software, within FreshBooks, not client subscriptions. Tracking them helps you control costs. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The best way is to treat each subscription as a recurring expense. When you log the first payment, e.g., for Zoom, Adobe, etc., click Make Recurring. Set it to repeat monthly or annually. Now, this expense will auto-generate in your log each period. You can run a report on the software subscriptions expense account to see your total monthly outflow. My crucial pro tip: add a note with the renewal date and login. In the notes field of the recurring expense, jot down the annual renewal date and the website login info. This creates a simple, searchable subscription management system within your accounting software. Gain visibility into your nickel and dime expenses that add up fast. How many software subscriptions is your business paying for? Any surprises? For more guides on cost control, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.